right. Nobody wants to come down on the side of a score, Luther. I'm not. Oh, the cameraman does. Oh, Patrick comes down on the side of a score. David, maybe you can shoot Jeremy here. Jeremy comes down on the side of a score. These are not popular folks here today, everybody. I know they're working hard and everything, but all right. Well, let's find out what Allie Hembry had to find when she went on the streets of Louisville. Cards, cats. Here's her piece.
The big game is just days away. When August 31st rolls around, this stadium will be filled with both Cards and Cats fans alike. The big question is, who's going to win? Who do you think's going to win, Louisville, UK?
Oh, UK without a doubt. Season ticket holder, I wouldn't miss a game.
Go Louisville, man. You know what I'm saying? 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 You know what I'm saying?
UK for sure. Yeah,
Why do you think they're going to win this year?
because they're awesome. They have the best team.
Why do you think Louisville's going to win?
Because they're the better team.
Thorpe in Louisville. I bleed it. I love it. I loved it since I was a kid. Had season tickets and go Cards.
Who's going to win, UK, Louisville?
Without a doubt, UK.
I think UK will win this year.
C.
Go Cats!
A.
Go Cats!
R.
Go Cats!
D.
Go Cats!
S.
UK without a doubt. Go Cards! UK for sure. Louisville.
UK.
Go Louisville, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Fans are eager to support their teams, but after August 31st, only one group of fans will have bragging rights. But until then, let's cheer them on. I'm Allie Hembry for the CW Louisville.
Allie Hembry, thank you so much. What a great piece. And we've been asking you all week your opinion going on to CW Louisville.